Today on Magic's Global Guide MGG, 10 tips to increase YouTube views and subscribers, 10 tips to increase YouTube ranking, 10 tips how to earn money on YouTube videos. The information provided here will help you to grow your channel and make money out of it. Before we proceed to such an important useful information free of cost, it's humble request to like, share and subscribe. If you want to make your YouTube videos more money making, then consider following points. Number 1. Approximately 50% of YouTube viewers are in the age group 18 to 45 of years. So make videos useful for this age group. Number 2. The following categories of videos are preferred by most of YouTube viewers. First, how to do, for example, how to do makeup. Second, how to fix, for example, how to fix SIM card error. Third, how to get, for example, how to get rid of pimples. Fourth, how to make, for example, how to make cake. Fifth, unboxing of different products. You must have the product in your hand. At the beginning, this may be costly affair. Sixth, reviews or demos of products or services. For example, review of washing machine, demo to use it, or review of cable services. Seventh, humor or funny videos. Eighth, news of current affair or political issues. Ninth, tips to study. The number 3 point is 300 hours of videos are uploaded every minute, but all do not outperform. There are very few which have billion or million of views. Videos must be thoughtfully prepared to help or entertain the viewer. It must be specific and to the point, not general. For example, how to prevent a pandemic is too general, and how to prevent corona is specific. And how to fix cell phone is too general, whereas how to fix SIM card is specific. The number 4th, the thumbnail image must be attractive enough, eye-catching as well as simple. This increases number of clicks or views. However, only number of clicks or views is not enough. The 5th point that has to be considered, that is, it must have good watch time or audience must be retained on video. Even if the thumbnail is attractive enough, but if the video is not full of material, or if it is irrelevant to the thumbnail and the title, then the viewer will leave the video very soon, reducing watch time. The 6th point that has to be considered, the video must contain short title. The 7th point is it must have keywords in the description relevant to video. 8th is relevant tags also attract searches. 9th point is videos must be of minimum 5 minutes. So that an ad can be inserted for monetization. People would not like videos of more than 10 minutes. If they want to rush here and there, they prefer ideally the video of between 5 and 10 minutes. All the longer videos also perform, but they rarely perform like these videos. The 10th point is most of viewers don't like very long videos, so videos of 10 minutes are closer to ideal keeping it in mind. If the material is 2 minutes, if the material is 2 minutes only, it must not be stretched. And if the material is of 20 minutes, it should not be shortened to 10 or 2 minutes. These are the 10 most important tips to make video ranking higher and good source of income. Apart from this, 10 tips like comment, share, subscribe also add to the viewership. Also, channel art should be relevant and attractive along with good icon. For this purpose, canva.com is of good help. To be able to start earning, the channel must have at least 1000 subscribers and 400 watch time hours. Upload a video at least once a week so that the channel should be alive, and YouTube algorithm flashes new videos automatically, so it gives you a chance. If the video is good enough, it will attract and the algorithm will keep flashing it again and again. Create playlist, end screen and cards for adding to viewership. Free video editing software may be helpful. VSDC is very good and easy software. Basic version is free, which is good to start with. An advanced version is paid. Similarly, many other applications are there, but VSDC needs no registration, no trial, nothing like this. Basic version is absolutely free, so VSDC supports you. Stand in the market like your father. When you stand, don't forget your father. Also, free background music provided by YouTube is a good support to improve video presentation. And the link is given, that is in YouTube. You can go to audio library and music. The information provided here is based on research which will surely help you grow your channel and make money out of it. The information provided here are very important and useful. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time.